What's up, guys? Tommy here from Green Rhino. Just had to get a little picture of this because to me, I don't know, kind of looked kind of orderly there. So we did 2 couches, 2 recliners, area rug, and 3 bedrooms. So these are pretty much all the tools we used right here. Kind of got this little attachment. I'm gonna get something a little better for the pet hair. There's one I've been looking at, so I'm gonna get that. This helps out a little bit. Scrubber, of course, when you're doing upholstery or whenever, but upholstery, we pre-spray with. I use this for a pre-sprayer. Scrub it with that and extract. I know it says my tea, but it's not. This is the scientific upholstery tool here. It's a newer one. Didn't come with a bag though. Sapphire Scientific. So I just stole the mighty bag. Got my Pro Team vacuum right here. Love it. And been using the Namco. You know, still using it. Not bad. Scrubs really well, but honestly, it could be made a little bit more sturdy. Already broke the tab off here because it's plastic. But just got to be gentle with it. Works fine. And of course, for the pre-spray on the carpet, the backpack sprayer. Yeah, so today was about, for this job, took us about 2 hours. And I think the bill was, I'll put the bill at the end of the video. And yeah, so wrapping it up. So really short. And yeah, it's so nice when you have all the tools you need. If you don't have the tools you need, you run into a problem. I mean, it can just make your life so stressful. But when you have everything, man. Oh, and a little bit of deodorizer. Yeah, forgot about that. This is Sager's eucalyptus. Smells amazing. A lot of times I'll just do a little post spray, you know, just to make it smell a little more pleasant. But this is great for deodorizing also. So, all right, that's it. See you in the next one.